Netflix, one of the largest platforms for watching videos and movies around the world. And I know that a lot of you have used Netflix while in bed to chill after a long day and watch it all day long, especially during this pandemic. Since a lot of us are stuck inside our home during quarantine, a lot of us have more time to spend watching Netflix. But did you know that you can make money watching a bunch of videos online? Yes, you heard that right. By just watching videos that you already love and enjoy, you will earn money. Amazing, right? In today's video, I will show you how you can earn money by just watching videos and even just chilling at home. And you can do this without any experience and any skills. So if you are eager and excited to know this strategy, then stay tuned until the very end of this video. Anyways, just before I show you everything, if you like this type of content, then show your support by giving this video a thumbs up below. With that said, I would like to welcome everyone to Smart Money Girl. In this channel, I love teaching people how to build a business and make money online the smart way. And if you don't want to miss out on more videos, then make sure you click that subscribe button down below and make sure to turn on the notification bell so you get notified whenever I upload a new video. With that said guys, let's jump straight into the video. Hey everyone! Welcome to Smart Money Girl. So in today's video, our main source of passive income will be through watching videos online, which I know a lot of us love to do, right? With this method, all the money you accumulate will go straight into your PayPal account, just like that. And take note guys, this is completely free and is available worldwide. So wherever you are around the world, you can utilize this method and it will earn you a lot of money. Amazing, right? You don't even need any experience or any skills just to get started. Who wouldn't want that, right? I will share with you today 5 different websites that you can use to make a ton of passive income. But remember guys, watch this video all the way until the very end because I will show you this method step by step, including how to cash it out through your personal PayPal account. So I don't want you to miss any critical parts of this method that will affect how much you will make with this method. With that said guys, let's get to know what this strategy is. And we're back. So we are now here on our first website wherein it says get free gift cards for watching videos, answering surveys, and completing offers. So there are actually a lot of ways to earn money with this website, but as I mentioned, we will be focusing on watching videos as your main source of passive income. Then, if we scroll down a little bit, you can see how this actually works. So first, advertisers pay grab points for engagements. Then, we recruit members like you. Then, you do online activities, watching videos, taking surveys, completing offers, downloading apps, and more. And lastly, you earn free gift cards or PayPal cash. As easy as that. Scroll down again a little bit and you will see a ton of gift cards that they offer. And you can just choose what gift cards you actually want to redeem. So the name of this website is actually grabpoints.com. If you liked what you are viewing and learning in this video, please smash the like button and comment down below what country you are watching this video from. This will help maintain my strategies be effective worldwide. I'm really excited to see them. Now, back on the video. Now you can see right here that you can easily sign up on this website. So just fill up the necessary information and you're done. So now, we are here in your personal dashboard. So this is basically what you will see guys. So just follow along. So you can see here a lot of surveys that you can already start taking to immediately earn money. A lot of different offers and even a live feed. So now, go on over to the left side of the web page and where it says earn points. Then click on watch right here, which will redirect you to this page. So in this page, you can now see two different options for you to start earning from just watching videos. So for this video, let's focus on Lootably right here. So when you click on it, it will say that earn 5 points for every 3 videos watched with ads, credit unlimited times. Minimum amount to redeem from loot.tv is 10 points. Click on start right here and you will be redirected to this page. Now you will see here a ton of videos that you can choose and watch, wherein they also correspond to different points for each video. So when you choose any of this at random and you finish it, you will then gain points and earn money as fast as possible. Amazing, right? For our second website, we can see right here that they have already paid their members over $4,421,838.21. Now that is a large amount that proves to you that this website is legit. You can scroll down a little bit and see how this actually works. First, join free today, easy to join. Complete your registration in less than 2 minutes. Receive a $0.20 bonus when you join. Then take part in surveys and offers. Make money by taking part in paid surveys. We have hundreds of new surveys available every day. You can also earn by watching videos and completing paid offers. And lastly, get paid. Over 90% of payments are paid within 8 hours via PayPal, Bitcoin, and Skrill. Or exchange your points for Tango gift cards, which can be used at popular retailers such as Amazon, Starbucks, Nike, Macy's, and more. Amazing! This website is actually known as superpay.me. So after you sign up, you can immediately start watching videos and earning a lot of money fast and easy. Amazing, right? We are now here on our third website where it says put cashback in your wallet. So just by your caption, I know that a ton of you, my subscribers, know that I love this website a lot, wherein you earn points and gift cards from just watching videos, which is actually known as swagbucks.com. This is another trusted website as they have paid their members over $630 million, which makes me love this website a lot. So just register over and sign up to this website and you can earn easy money right now. Amazing! For our fourth website, which is actually available on the Google Play Store. Yes, you can even do this on your smartphone. This is actually known as inboxdollars.com. Right here it says, earn cash and get paid for your everyday online activities with Inbox Dollars. It's free and easy to join. Inbox Dollars has partnered with some of the most trusted brands in retail, technology, and market research to deliver a robust platform of earning opportunities. Since 2002, over $57 million in cash rewards have been paid to members. So you can also earn a lot from this application, and you can check out the reviews that it has gotten for yourself. And just like that, we are now with our fifth website, so stick with me. We are now here in our fifth website, wherein right here it says, Small Gigs, Big Results. If we scroll down a little bit, we can see how this actually works. So select jobs you like, complete this task, explore required task, send required proofs, just like that. Then deliver work and get paid. This is how small gigs are great work. They are easy to do and require little time to finish. There are jobs like take a survey, categorize images, help promote content, and many others. Get credited immediately after task is reviewed and don't wait a month or more for a payout. Amazing! The name of this website is actually picoworker.com. So you can just choose any jobs that they have around here, sign up to their website, and you will earn easy and fast passive income. Just as easy as that. And now we've reached the end of today's video. If you liked it, don't forget to show your love and support by giving this video a thumbs up below. And if you want to keep up to date with all my next uploads, then make sure you click the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my upcoming videos. Thank you for watching everyone, and I'll see you all soon in my next Smart Ways to Make Money Online.